Hey there, guys. Gordon here with How to 240 for all you guys that have um, audio files on your computer and they have no title, and you want to figure out how to put that stuff in there. My son made this video to show how to do this. So you see how it says, you know, Title 9, no audio. So basically, this goes through and it shows you how to do this. So basically, you we used VLC was the player there, but you go to the Play Store and you're going to download this program that actually shows you how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. Go over the top of me a little bit. That's a little bit too big. So anyway, this is showing what he's actually downloading here, what he's looking up. Automatic tag editor is what you're going to go for. We already downloaded it onto this, so he's going to go ahead and just open it. And he's going to search. Here he searches the his files and shows that's what it says there is Title 9. And put my glasses on so I can see that small screen. Unknown album. So basically, he's going to search this. Actually, he's now going to he's opening up his stuff to show you where you could either find the music that way or the different ways that you can find it in this program to browse for it. So file renaming is what he's going to use. Make sure that's turned on, and then going to double click track 9. He's going to type in Photograph by the best band ever, Def Leppard. And then he'll hit, and the system will automatically go out and look for all the albums or CDs that had that song on it of theirs, and it'll populate it, and then you can hit the old save button, and it'll save it on your file on your computer. So it's Photograph from Pyromania album, but if you scroll down the bottom, there's all these other album covers. So if it was actually off a different album cover, you could pick one of those covers. But we're thinking this one's probably off the Pyromania album, what he's listening to in there. But this is all the other albums that it's on, the years that they were made and all that kind of stuff. So he's going to go up there and he's going to say, no, I like the one up here on top. So he's going to click on it, and it saves it. And then you go up and hit that little check mark, and it's now saved and in your file rename. So he's going to come here and show you how it's renamed in the file. So now it's renamed, and you click on it and goes back and plays the old def, or go to VLC and see that it's renamed. Rename with a picture. There it is, guys. That's how you do it. Renaming audio files. Well, that probably works also with video, I bet. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.